This is LRC9. This is the mould remover. This works on literally any surface you can possibly think of. Bricks, leather, fabric, wood, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, shower rooms, toilets, loos, whatever you want to call them. It works everywhere. Painted surfaces also, and metal. Worktops in kitchens, granite, marble, and formica worktops, if that's what they're actually called. So it works literally anywhere and on anything. Application is very, very simple. It comes in a trigger bottle spray, as you can see. It is locked at the moment. Move this little fob here, either left or right, the trigger spray will open. Spray directly onto the item you are trying to remove. You can then allow it to sit for a short period of time to get eaten into the mould, and then wipe away with a sponge. If it is very heavy sort of infested mould, then you would have to be very careful because of the spores coming off it. They can be extremely dangerous. So please make sure when you are always using this product and always dealing with mould, you wear proper respiratory equipment. It is essential to do so because mould is a serious killer. You do not want mould to be left around your home or on your item. It will affect your lungs and cause serious health issues for you. So the moment you see mould, get this product, LRC9, and remove the mould and kill mould dead instantly. You must remove it. It is quite a bad health hazard for you as mould. It causes a lot of problems with people with asthma and asthma attacks and a lot of lung issues. So make sure you remove mould immediately. If it is very heavy infestation of mould, be very careful. I would advise always getting in an expert to help you that is a specialist mould removal company. This will work on mould as long as it's not like growing and tall, it'll work perfectly fine. So if you have an area that's very heavy with mould, spray this on and you can lightly scrub it with a brush to remove it and then wipe down with a cloth. Spray on again and wipe again to remove any more residue until the mould has fully gone. That is LRC9 mould remover. Get it from the website leatherrepaircompany.com.